Double murder, courier transporting millions in cash, and an armed guard killed in Montego Bay.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
While the full details of the incident remains unclear, reports have emerged of a dramatic robbery and murder in Montego Bay, St. James on Sunday morning, March 10th. Indications so far are that the operator of a major business establishment in the second city was being transported along Jarrett Street in a van by an employee of his. The business operator was also being escorted by an archive security team in a separate vehicle. Reports suggest that about 8:10 a.m., the two units came under heavy gunfire from men who challenged the group, allegedly in search of money that was being transported by the business operator. The van received 5 gunshot holes in its windscreen, resulting in the driver dying on the spot, while the businessman reportedly escaped the attack. The marked Hawkeye Company vehicle conducting the escort received sustained gunfire, which left over 50 bullet holes and one member of the team dead, while the other has been hospitalized in serious condition.
38 additional loan here.
Reports are that the money, said to be in the region of 20 million Jamaican dollars, was taken by the attackers, who were said to be armed with assault rifles. The police's information arm, the Corporate Communications Unit (CCU), has confirmed the incident and the deaths, but no further confirmation was forthcoming at the time of this publication.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.